Hi everyone, it's Mary Lou. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you some cards that I made, and it was using this Honeybee Stamps lovely layer Toil and Trouble layering die. I love this. I didn't realize how much I would like it when I got it, but let me show you what I did to make my die cutting a little bit easier. I taped first all of the sets together, the entire set, so that I could just keep moving it from one color to another. I did a lot of them in white and then use some inking on the top. But you'll see how some of my parts of these came out when I show you the finished cards. I'm not going to show you the whole process for making the cards today. I went ahead and made them with my sister while she was visiting, but I want to show you the finished ones. They turned out way cuter than I even expected. So I used the Toil and Trouble Honeybee die set. And then I also have a set that has sentiments for several holidays, and if I can get links for things, I will put them in the description below. So we made several Happy Halloween sentiments with yellow and with orange and black, and I did those 3 glued all together so that they're a little bit more hefty and thicker, and I like how they turn out nicer. And then I just found some really fun striped papers because I thought that would work so well for Halloween because it reminds me of stripy witches socks. And so those were my materials. And now let me show you some finished cards. I'm loving these. So this first one, I layered this on a black card base, and then I did the stripy purple, and then a solid textured paper, and then these little hats. This is what comes from this Honeybee stamp set, is hats, and then all of these little things with the feathers, the buckles, the bows, spiders, all kinds of things that you can layer to create those hats. So this hat I cut out of a purple, actually a gray paper. This I cut out of white and then I just inked it, but I love the broom. And this is a 3-layer broom, and I just love how that came out. And then with that Happy Halloween that stands up, look what you get. And then on the inside of each of these, I chose a pale kind of grayish purple for the inside, and then used some of those stripes for a decorative element on the inside. So let me show you the rest of these. I love this one. So I have 3 witches brooms all together. Another hat I cut out of white and then did some gray inking. This one is just 1 hat, and I did a purple broom instead of the yellow, so you can see the different colors of brooms. I love this layering here where I can actually see the black. When I did that, I actually preferred it to just the purple and then the solid. I like having that black outline. And then here's some more. This was stamped, or this was cut out of green cardstock. And then I did a little bit of inking, and then this was cut out of white cardstock, and I did some orange inking over it. And then the last one, I used a boo sentiment from a different set, and I'll put that in the description below, and then 3 different hats. I love the little feathers in this set because I just love the detail that comes out of that. I cut these out of white, and then I did a little bit of inking over the top in some yellows, some oranges, and even a little bit of red. On a couple of these, I tried some foiling, hot foiling, using the actual die set. And I did get a little bit of some foiling shine on this. And I don't know if you can see that spider, but it's got some really fun shine on it. And so let's just take a look at all, let's see, 5 of the cards that I made using the Toil and Trouble set. I love them. Tell me which one is your favorite. I like several of them for a few different reasons. I think this is probably my favorite, or this one. I wish this one had the black showing because I just love the look of that. But I think that's my favorite just because I like the hats and that's my favorite. my favorite of all of the brooms. And let me just show you. So the insides, I just picked up whatever was the stripe going around the card and used that on the inside. Some of them I did it to this side. This was I did to the other side. So you can move that stripe around. It doesn't always have to be at the bottom. You can put it in any number of places. So those are my 5 Halloween cards that I need to get sent to my mom and my aunt. So I hope you just enjoyed seeing my finished ones. Get out one of your holiday die cut sets and just start having some fun. I wasn't feeling very inspired when I started, but once I got going, I just started to come, and I just love how everything turned out. So enjoy that. Happy Halloween, and remember, we love people more than things. We'll see you next time.